नमस्कार। आज हमारे साथ
नमस्कार। नमस्कार and Jai Hind, Shefali.
जय हिंद सर, जय हिंद। Today we have Mr. Ranjit Singh with us. Mr. Ranjit Singh is Vice President HR UFUS Learning. Welcome you, sir, on the Leaders Talk Show of Young Minds. Thank you so much for accepting our request and coming live with us. So for people who don't know Mr. Ranjit Singh is a seasoned HR professional, end-to-end, taking care of different HR verticals, handling people, understanding people's mindset, promoting the people. As far as I know him, he's a people's person and very generous person at heart. So, sir, knowing you, knowing a lot about you, knowing the things which you have, initiatives which you have taken all across the industry vertical with a lot of HRs, I would like you to speak over a very important question, wherein these days people are struggling. A lot of us are struggling with new normal, old normal, coming back. What is going to happen? So, what do you feel? As per you, working from home should be, is it a situational thing, or it should be the new normal, or we should, do you think that it is beneficial for us?
So, Shefali, very good afternoon. And 10 minutes back or 15 minutes back, when I got a reminder from my system that I have to attend the call at 3 p.m. So, if you see weather outside, it's very sunny, very heat outside there. Morning, it was very pleasant, but now it's not as in the morning. So, suddenly I was completely not lazy 15 minutes back. Then suddenly I remembered one Sanskrit phrase, a slok, which I learned in class 9th. Still, I remember that entire phrase, Sanskrit phrase.
Oh,
Shall I?
please, sir, please.
Yeah. So the complete phrase is, the slok is, आलस्य ही मनुष्य नाम शरीरस्थो महारिपु ना समो उद्यम वंदु कृतवायम नव सीदिति. That means, अर्थात आलस्य जो है मनुष्य के शरीर के सबसे बड़ा शत्रु है, और शत्रु होने के नाते परिश्रम से इसका कोई नाता नहीं है, तो परिश्रम इसका कोई मित्र नहीं है. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, परिश्रम जो है जब किसी के साथ आता है तो वो कभी किसी को दुखी नहीं करता. दैट मीन्स परिश्रम जिसके साथ है वो कभी दुख में नहीं जीता है. इसलिए सडनली आई वेक एंड आई opened my laptop for 3 o'clock our discussion, and I am really overwhelmed and for this opportunity. And we wanted to discuss on the work from home. Is the beneficial? Shall we adopt work from home, or is just a situational for a business practice? But from my understanding, from my point of view, when you understand from the brighter perspective, the bigger perspective, the entire system, entire, even you can say the entire globe, the global thing has been drastically changed into the work from home benefit. We used to say the phrase "Jahan sab kuch ek." When we say "Jahan hi sab kuch ek," then suddenly it came in our mind that this looks like a sound like a alien concept, but this is the fact, and we cannot avoid this situation at this particular time, and this will be there for a longer run, and we have to be abide by this, right? There's no alternative, no solution. We have to be look like this, and over everything. People are saying work from home is beneficial. It's not a situational. After some time it will be the same. So you have to understand the opportunity which we are getting it through this system. We, in today's time, in today's scenario, as till date, we are 5 years ahead in today's time. Because of techno-savvy, people are doing a lot of system-oriented workshops. People are doing official work through the system. People are doing con call. People are based out at the factories. They are also doing the con call. So I saw a lot of manufacturing unit. They used to do every weekly call through the Skype, through the Zoom, through the Google Meet, through the Cisco Meet. They are doing it, and people are now accepting this fact. This is the situation, and we have to be like with this situation, and that is a good part also. Though when you talk about work from home, you will find a lot of benefit also, such as more women are now wanted to join the workforce because of this home based assignment, freelancing assignment. You have to understand one thing, a lot of women, and this is the fact also, aaj tak bhi hota hai ki a lot of women, I mean, wanted to utilize time with the family, save time as much they can with and spend with the family. And they are doing this is the option where they can opt in and they can do the freelancing and they can give the time to the families too, and they are taking the assignments. We UFS, I'll talk about little bit about the UFS also. We have started one of the project during this the lockdown, and we are hiring a lot of interns, a lot of the housewives for this assignment, and they are accepting this offer because this is completely work from home opportunity for them, and this is how we are creating the opportunity for the people also. So because everything is going to be digitalized and we are doing the digital thing, and they are accepting it and they are taking training for it, and if we are providing the training, that is fine, and they are also taking the training from the other sources also. So that is a good thing, and this will going to help in every form to everybody. So as per my understanding, this we cannot consider as a situational. This is the time now, and we have to accept it and we have to do it. The same time, when you talk about work from benefit, we adopt or it's a beneficial. The challenges also come. Challenges are there, and I have written the challenges, few challenges which I'll speak. First challenge, when we see work from home scenario, it's very difficult to sticking to the routine work. When you in office, you have a particular timeline, you have a particular order of working. When you're in office, you utilize like that only. But you at home, so sticking to this general routine is slightly difficult. I mean, because there is no start time, there is no end time, right? So that is a challenge. But when you adhere to the discipline schedule, definitely it will going to be happen as properly like an office only. But that your willpower to adhere it, and it is easy. So a lot of people are doing it, and we have a call around 9 o'clock. We have to be there in the 9 o'clock. Then we have to adhere the entire scenario, and so that's the thing. But this is the people are saying that a lot of people, I heard that people are saying this is very difficult to sticking the routine. But now the call is there that definitely people will go to attend that call. So that is a good thing. Though it's a challenge, but people will overcome. It's a timing only, but once in routine, people will definitely follow it up. The second challenge which I saw is when you in office, is difficult to have or do the power nap. But at home, जब हम ऑफिस में होंगे तो हम कोई सोता है नहीं, सोच भी नहीं सकता, और इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, वहां पर पॉसिबल भी नहीं है. बट व्हेन यू एट होम, it power nap sometimes happens, and it's not a bad thing or it's not a disadvantage at any point of time, because as per my point of view, when you take power naps, it is advantage, more of advantage, because until unless it is not taking too last or long, then only it's an advantage. At the same time, it is rebooting yourself, your inner system, and refreshing you too also for the the other project. So that is a good thing, and power nap is a good thing. And third thing which I saw is I mean at home, getting a bigger space, spare rooms, slightly difficult. Slightly, this is a right thing. And I mean, we don't have the proper infra at home, because home is like home, right? It's a comfortable place, that. But at the same time, when doing work from home, this is a challenge. We don't have the power backup, we don't have the broadline proper internet at home, we don't have the spare room for the calls, for the work also, For the millennials who are, living in the paying guest, they also face this problem because they have a, 2-3 bed system. So it's difficult for them also, the young generation. So, but these are the problems, right? If you involve yourself in the problem, you will not find out the solution at the right place. But you find out the solution, definitely you are at the right place, right company also, right? Because I mean, see, when we work in the office, our thought process and being into the HR fraternity and this professional world, we know that if you work for work, then it's very good. Then it is, you are enjoying the work. If you are doing work from time, that is a challenge. So same situation is here. During this, the lockdown season, you are doing working from home and there is no time, right? That is a good part. I mean, there is no in time, there is no out time. So after all summarizing the entire step, I have, 3-4 points which I have written. So in this work from scenario, you can start and end at any point of time. So, and apart from that, you can spend more time with the family, and it will be a less stress also while you are with the family. And apart from that, which is very interesting, I mean, you will not get a chance of gossiping things when you're at home. And the same time, also the grievances will be less, you know. So no discussion, no gossiping, no grievances sometimes. You have to think from the HR perspective too. And the third point, when you understand, it is easier, it is easy to eat the healthy meals also. In the home, you can have a time, you can do the proper yoga session in the morning, you can have healthier food, healthier meal as per your choice, and you can balance the entire stuff for yourself also, and you will get a chance for yourself, your body also, right? So that is the few scenario which is very much important nowadays. And you have to understand the very it is very important. Social distancing is very much important, so it's a social distancing norms or it's a situation, this will be there. This is a new normal practice and standard practice. सामाजिक दूरी जो है ना, वो अब रहेगा, उसको अब चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. So we have to adhere it, and we have to work as per the the situation which is there. And this is not a bad situation. This provides us a lot of opportunities. People are open their offices and people are working from home. A lot of companies has opened the manufacturing units and people are working in the manufacturing units. Those migrant labor coming back to the work also. Even in our organization, the people are coming back and they are started working also in the warehouses where and wherever is required. I mean, the people are working there. So that is a good part. And in any case, we are also supporting the growth income of this country, right? So that is our responsibility also, to take care of the manpower and take care of their arrangement too. That's a reason a lot of company has did a lot of stuff for their employees also. They're taking a lot of policies for their employees. They are renewing the policy with the enhanced limit. We did it. A lot of organizations also doing it. They are taking measures, how to, if in case something happen, how to tackle the problem and how to help the team members also. This is a good thing, which I mean, every organization is doing it. There are a lot of challenges also. The layoff is also doing. The same time, hiring is also happen. We say a lot of hiring is not happening, but it is happening. I mean, as we discussed long back also. We are also hiring. We have started one digital project, and we are hiring people. We are hiring freelancer. We are hiring person who are based out of India also. They are working for us. The people who are based out in Srinagar, that people is also working. Based out at Kanyakumari, that people is also working. So that is a good part, and they are getting opportunities for this situation. And everybody is, giving 100% to this opportunity also. And apart from that, a lot of housewives taking a lot of steps during this work from home season. They have started their own kitchen, supplying foods to the paying guests also. So that is the opportunity they are getting it. So when you crib about the problems, you will always crib about the problem. When you find out the solution for every problem, that everything will be very smooth and that will give you the end last solution also. That is the good part. And last not the least, I mean, we have to understand this work from home is the new and is a vital, in the element which will going to be there in this society, in the system, everywhere. I mean, we have to be abide by this norms that work from home should be there, and it is the only the scenario of India, future of India, and from the professional front going, it also be there in the system. Yeah.
Absolutely right, Ranjit. So I get a lot of positive vibes from you that we all should see the positive things which we are getting while working from home. And yes, while maintaining social distancing, we are able to save on cost. We are able to save on time. So if we look at positivity and आलस पे control करेंगे, so I think we are better humans and we'll be able to deliver good results. So guys who are watching live Ranjit with me, let me tell you honestly that he is a very genuine person and he speaks very genuine things. So, whatever he has given us the advices, if we follow half of them also, our life will be, far better, we'll be very happy in our lives, our families, our profession, while working from home, any space of life. So thank you so much, Ranjit, for coming live with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sefali. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you. Jai Hind.